Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video. Thanks to everybody at IAA Auto Auctions for allowing me the chance to take a look inside and continue the search for another vehicle. And I may have found just the perfect one. It's a pickup truck and it's old. It's really, really old, just like me. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here she is in all of her glory. Check that out. A 1977 GMC Sierra Classic long bed. I think it's a long bed. Yeah, this has total 1970s written all over it. And I don't know why there are two holes right here, three holes. Maybe it had a big mirror on that. Those aren't bullet holes. Those look like drilled holes. I can't get in this side. But this would be perfect for me, right? If I need something to tow, I need somewhere to put my tools. Yes, sir. I know somebody who'd be very proud of me if I bought this thing. A little bit of rust. That's okay. That'll buff out. Wheels look good. Tires look very, very good. Look at those things. Okay, she's got a big bed. You can put all kinds of stuff back there. You even have a little, looks like a little fence or something. I don't know what that does. Anyway, she's ready to tow. She's got the lights and the tow hitch all set up. Tires match on all four corners. I can't get in though. I can't get in because of the tape. Dagnabbit. Okay, let's see if we can just kind of sneak peek in there. Look at that. That's kind of nice. Of course, we have a dash pad on top. Got a couple of speakers or whatever there on the inside, but this thing will tow a house. This thing will tow anything you want it to. You get a weirdly placed step. Why? Why is it? Maybe that's where your old gal liked to step when she got in the pickup truck. Okay, little bitty windshield wipers. Take a look. Oh, she's got some rust, and she's zip tied. I can't even show you the engine. Well, doggone it. You know what that means. I'm gonna have to pass on the pickup truck here. I'm sorry. I tried. I really, really tried. And I found the perfect pickup. Let the angels sing. Check out this beauty. 2005 Ford F-150 King Ranch version with a little bit of damage. I don't notice that. Okay, a couple of scratches here. You're missing your side mirror. This is kind of beat up here. So you're gonna need tires too. It's a 4x4. Yep, that will tow. Okay, looks like it's got the rear sensors on the back. It's got, I guess that's locked, so you can't steal it. You get a gas can. That's good. What I like about it, I like the white. Oh, I need a gas cap door. But it's the King Ranch version, which means the inside is gonna be nice. It's gonna be really, really nice. Ho, 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 ho. Like saddle nice. This reminds me of saddles. See? It's dirty and dry. But you can bring that back easily. Easily. Okay. Oh, well, okay. She's been rode hard and put up wet. There's your floor mats. Seats are nice though. You get an old school entertainment center. Okay, yeah, you can watch your DVDs right there. What's this, storage? Okay. You get a squeaky sun visor. This thing will pull anything you want it to, right? I'm sure it's dead. All these cars are dead. No. Okay, well, King Ranch shows up there. That's good. Let's just turn this real quick. 238,000 miles. Door is ajar. Thank you very much. Door is really sticky. Wow. Okay. Okay, well, we have an issue. See how it tries, but it's not attached. What about this guy? This guy's attached, and you are on the way out. But this one, yeah. Need a new window regulator. But this, I mean, well, send this to Randy's Auto Spa, and she'll come back looking nice. Okay, we do need to fix this little cheapy Pioneer. This is going to get old. Sound familiar? Yeah, okay. Anyway, this is really dirty, and I don't know what this is. I don't even know what that is. That is bizarre. Really, really bizarre. Okay, let's see what it's like under the hood. We got the hood open easily, quite easily. And we can poke around on the inside. You got your K&N filter. Okay. Fluid. Is there fluid? Do we have fluid? Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit. Yep, we got some in there. We got some brake fluid. Power steering fluid is in there. You know, if I get a pickup truck, I'm going to have to get a step ladder. I'm going to have to admit that I'm a shorter person. Ugh. Okay. Let's see what this is like. Oh! I would say that's dirty. I would say that's been in there for a long, long time. Wow. Come on, little buddy. Who used to say that? Oh, that was Gilligan. That was the skipper. That's what he would say to Gilligan. Come on, little buddy.
Are you ready, little buddy?
Ready.
I'm not.
Sure you are.
No, I'm not, Gilligan.
Well, I always wondered what was up between those two. Anyway, this looks nice. You can fix the headlights. You can go to Walmart and they'll fix it for 20 bucks. This side of the truck looks good. She needs tires. This side of the truck is a little beat up, but not too much. I mean, it's white, so you can't see a whole lot of it. Can you see the damage going through there? There's some ripples, but it's a white pickup truck. It's going to be in 1,000 pickup salvage yards. This is kind of bent in too. If I had a little, I'd pop it out. You know what? We're going to write this down. And we're going to actually look at this. We are actually going to consider this. 1, because I think it's going to be very inexpensive. 2, it'll tow anything I want. 3, it's got 4-wheel drive. And 4, it's got the King Ranch seats, which with my Rejuvenator oil will come right back to life. I tell you what, I have had Mercedes seats that just ripped. Yeah, just ripped because the leather was so dry. You put the oil on there, and you put it in a trash bag and you let it sit in the sunlight, and that oil is absorbed by the leather like nobody's business, and it comes out looking great. At least that's Mercedes leather from the 80s and 90s. I don't know what it does with the Ford leather from the 2004 or 2005 year. Okay, but anyway, Mike is really interested. Mikey likey. So you want a big boy truck? Yep. Take a look at this 2017 Ford Expedition. I believe it's a 2017. I know it's an Expedition because it says right there on the headlights. Yep, 2017. We're missing some pieces. I don't see a whole lot of body damage other than this right here, cross member. Okay, so the bumper's gone, the grill's gone. This is all good. It wasn't a huge hit, okay? This little piece you can just bolt on, I guarantee you. Yeah, easy to fix. You'll need a bumper and a grill. Eventually you'll need some tires. Oh, let's see what's going on here. You'll need a back bumper. Oh, she was caught in the crossfire of a hurricane. Yeah, okay, so she got it from the front and the back. And you'll need a tailgate. I'm sure this doesn't even work. This was a little more severe right here. There's your tire. Thank you very much. So I think she was in an accident and then someone came and took some pieces from her, because I don't know why. I wouldn't imagine this would get damaged when it was hit in the back right there. Let's see what the inside looks like, because I know these are nice. There's your bumper. Ah, there you go. Split seating in the back. Third row seats, which look really nice. There's your entertainment system. This is a nice car. Okay, let's go in the front and see what happens. Oh, I like this. This is much better than that 1977 Chevy Silverado. Ooh. This is big. Holy guacamole. Okay, let's just see what happens. Is there power? No. We got no power. The light's not even on, is it? No. Okay. Well, doggone it. Lots of storage here for things. A couple of ports for your iPhones, for your chargers. Kind of a screen. You get a little bitty screen right there. I like the steering wheel. Center speedometer. This is a nice place to be. This is nice, but she's dead as a doornail. I'm gonna have to get permission to get a battery pack out here, because she's ready for trailers too. There's your brakes, trailer brakes. Yes, sir. 12 volt. Yes, sir. For your pennies and your nickels and your dimes. I like that. Automatic lights too. 2017 is a good year, I think, for the Ford Expedition. This is nice. Let's just see what it looks like under here. Ugh. Look at that. Okay. Wait a minute. 3.5 liter V6? EcoBoost? Well, I'll be doggone. Okay. Duralast battery, which is dead. She's just dusty. I don't see any major leaks or anything. Power steering, brake fluid, radiator fluid. This all looks okay. This all looks okay. Let's see what the oil looks like. Here we go. Okay. It's full of oil. You can say that for sure. The hardest part is doing this one-handed. That's the hardest part. Okay, and it's back in there. And it's good to go. Okay. Well, how much is a bumper and a grill and a rear bumper and a tailgate? In silver, please. Yeah, in silver. I like it. I really, really do. So that's going to do it for another video, folks. We have looked at some very interesting cars and trucks this time. I think in this video it was all trucks. This truck took a nosedive right there. Yeah. But anyway, did Mike find something that he could use to haul with? I think so. That Ford F-150, I think it would go very inexpensively, which might just be something for moi. We'll have to see what happens. It's so dusty out here. I'm getting dust everywhere. Okay, please like, please subscribe. We are back, and no, this is not my future. Okay, I'm not going to do walk around videos every single day. No, my channel was built on being stupid and buying crazy Mercedes and getting my hands dirty and driving myself crazy, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. The walk-arounds are fun. I just like to come out here and see the new vehicles. And yes, I genuinely am looking for another vehicle to purchase. And if you are looking for a good vehicle, you might check out IAA Auctions, IAAI Auction.com. No, it's IAAI.com. There you go, Mike. Yeah. So please like, please subscribe. We are back with another video very, very soon, folks. Goodbye.